Looking for the easiest way to power your fridge and lights? Meet the Scout, the simplest and most compact power panel in the REDWorks range. Australian made and designed for weekend adventurers, day trips and everyday use, the Scout is your hassle-free plug-and-play dual battery system. Whether you're keeping the fridge running at camp or the groceries chilled while you're on the go, the Scout makes it easy to keep your essentials powered. Figuring out what you need to power your rig and how it all fits together doesn't have to be intimidating. REDWorks power panels are clean and compact mobile power solutions that are built to simplify your setup. No confusing wiring and no messy installs, each panel combines the individual components you need to deliver an all-in-one solution. Between the Scout, Nomad and Pioneer, there's a panel for every need. Made for the weekend adventurer who wants reliable power without the complexity, the Scout is a set-and-forget solution that powers the basics for everyday convenience, from keeping groceries cold to making sure there's a post-workout drink on hand. The Scout power panels keep your secondary battery topped up thanks to the included BCDC charger and its fast and efficient charging from your alternator and solar. The Scout power panels also include a smart battery monitor for accurate real-time updates on your battery's charge remaining, so you always know exactly how much power you have left and how long it's going to last. It's a fuel gauge for your battery. Connecting your gear is quick and easy with the integrated Anderson connectors. Clearly labelled and easily accessible. There's no messy wiring and no confusion. Just plug it in and go. A set and forget solution, one input takes care of your vehicle's connection to keep your batteries charged while you drive. Another Anderson port makes hooking up solar simple. So whether it's a fixed panel, folding panel or a solar blanket, you can tap into the sun's power in seconds. Finally, the 50 amp Anderson output is where you connect the things that matter most, whether that be your fridge, your lights, or other essentials. The Scout comes in 3 options. For a simple and reliable setup, the Scout25 and Scout40 feature REDWorks BCDC core. Compatible with all common battery types, including heated lithium, these chargers give you 25 or 40 amps of dual input charging. The Scout50 steps it up with a 50 amp BCDC Alpha R charger that unlocks a suite of advanced features that go beyond standard charging. In the event of a flat start battery recovery gets you back on the road in just 15 minutes by safely recharging your start battery from your secondary battery. And with start battery charging, once your secondary battery is charged, BCDC Alpha sends excess solar power to your start battery automatically, so no energy ever goes to waste. The Scout50 also delivers intelligent charging, adjusting its charge in real time to meet your battery's needs, maximising efficiency and extending your battery's lifespan. And with advanced monitoring, you stay on top of your system with state of charge percentage, time remaining and charge performance delivered straight to your phone. So, whether you're heading off-grid for the weekend, tackling a day trip or just making everyday life easier, the Scout gives you reliable power without the hassle. Compact, capable and ready when you are, it's the easiest way to keep your essentials powered wherever the road takes you. Australian made and built to go the distance. Whether it's a Scout, a Nomad or Pioneer, there's a solution for every adventure. Still not sure which panel best suits your power needs? Head over to redarchelectronics.com to learn more.